Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekasi.
Hi, my name is Seipupi Moroane. I'm the founder of Moreleti Trading. An unemployed mother of 3 boys. When COVID hit me, it actually led me to a decision to start this business. Basically, before I was based in construction and tourism, but because of COVID, I had to opt for something that put in money on a day-to-day basis. So this business was actually the core of how I survived during COVID. I bake cakes, I do ginger, I do juice, and I provide these products for occasions, for household use, and for daily use to local people. People can find me on my Facebook page, Pacificus Moroane on Facebook, or my Facebook page of the company is Moreleti Trading on Facebook. I do not have an Instagram page. Or they can contact me on 072 310 5099. Hi everyone, my name is Seipupi Moroane and I'm a township entrepreneur.